Hello, dear grade 10 students. How are you now? We are now on week 3 in your module for English 10. And actually, for this week, you have two learning competencies, but the first one is just the continuation of the previous week, and that is to determine the effects of textual aids like advanced organizers, titles, nonlinear illustration, etc., on the understanding of the text. Those things that I have mentioned are examples of textual aids. So for your learning objective for day 1, you are to identify the types of textual aids. I know some of these textual aids were already familiarized by you, and these have been used, of course, during your classes, no, when we had the regular sessions. So for today, we're going to differentiate the types of textual aids. So you already know that textual aids here as what is being flashed on the screen. These refer to the written text, printed text, and other ways of emphasizing the essential phrases of writing for an important word, graphs, or even pictures to stand out from the other. This will make it easy for students to memorize, remember, and learn important words more quickly and easily. If you could still remember, your teacher once asked you to come up with your own, um, shall we say, graphic organizer on how to highlight the important information from a specific topic. You're going to use this graphic organizer. We also have this concept map. I could still remember when I conducted demo teaching to my class, as one of the motivation is to come up with a concept map, for example, on the idea about nature. So that is your central idea. So those small circles surrounded in the main idea, yeah, those are the associated words or the related words for you to come up or to organize or even structure knowledge. Then we have flow diagram. If you can still remember the story of Arachne, there were there were events that are written in order, and these events are the highlights of the story. Then we have this one, the Venn diagram. So this is used to identify the similarities and differences. For example, your um, favorite foods. So, what made you say that these two are your favorite foods? So, at the center part, you're going to write the similarities, and on both sides, you're going to write their differences. So, in this case, you are already creating a deeper understanding on that concept. Then next, we have the cause and effect diagram. I know one of the capsulets for this week is specifically for cause and effect diagram. So this takes a look at the connection between these concepts. For example, um, what is the cause of flood? So you're going to write it in under cause. And what is the effect of flood? So that's it. You're going to see the connection with these concepts. So for today, you have learned the I mean, you have learned what textual aids are and the different types of textual aids. And I'm pretty sure that you're already done answering the questions on the try part. There are 5 questions for each capslet, and I hope that you took this seriously. Okay, so I'll just see you on the next video, and don't forget on Thursday to submit your performance task. In your performance task 2, you are to fill in the graphic organizer though. So this is one of the applications on how to use the graphic organizer, wherein you're going to write the causes of family conflicts, and you're going to think of solutions, no? So you may also reflect these things to your real life situation. See you in the next video.